Hello everyone, this is Shivam from Gossipfunda and today we are going to fix an Roblox error. So we are receiving a pop-up message that Roblox does not support admin installation. So let's fix this issue. So running Roblox as an administrator provides you more control over the game, but it also causes problem with other programs. So when you run the game as an administrator, you face this issue. So first of all, search Roblox in search box and select open file location. Now go to properties, click on this compatibility tab and uncheck the run this program as an administrator. Now click on apply. Restart your device and your issue will be resolved. If you are using application version of Roblox, then first of all check for updates. If updates are not available, then reinstall Roblox application. These were the ways to fix your issue, but if still you are facing this, then simply contact Roblox. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.